Hey guys, Keith here with PromptROI. It's cold up here in the Northeast right now. We just got snow. So I wanted to make this video. People say, why should I make prompts, or why should I have pre-made prompts? How do they work? They really want to know how I use them. So I wanted to show you one way that I use them. And this is a simple, easy way right here. Okay. I'm going to show you the audience blueprint. So if any of you guys are in marketing, or you have to write sales messaging, or you need to talk to any kind of market, you're talking to people, those people are usually referred to as an audience. Now, when you're talking to that audience, there's fears, there's desires, there's motivations, there's worries, there's concerns, there's questions, there's all these things. And so just as an example, a prompt that's already pre-made that I spent time creating, now I can just come in here and put my audience, and then I can say what I'm selling. And if I'm working with a client, it's even better, because now I can just get all of their information fast, right? So, by building these tools that serve you and your team, if you have people that work with you, you're able to do things faster and more nimble and better. And you're not only that, but you're able to plug people into your systems who can take and write. By the way, they don't even have to write this. They could just go generate variable values and let the AI generate the answers right here. So if you don't trust them enough to put the answers in here, or you don't have specific answers from the client, you can have the AI generate it with a simple description of what you're trying to do. But the point is, you can have your team run these prompts. Now, here's what happens. You run a prompt, and then you get the information out of here, and you go, okay, this is amazing information. What next? Then you say, okay, well, I need another prompt. Well, what is that prompt going to do? Well, that prompt's going to write this, or that prompt's going to write that. Okay, well, guess what? Now you're getting into the land of wizards. Okay, so people often say to me, what's a wizard, right? Well, a wizard is basically a bunch of prompts strung together. So if I want to go in here and say how to guide creator, this is really a simple one. I think we're playing around with this. I have 4 prompts that typically I would use before, just run them one after another to write this guide. But now I can just go in, put them in a wizard, and hit run. And then I can go ahead and put the answer right here. What's the topic of the guide? How to grow tomatoes indoors. That's my favorite one. And I can hit run wizard. Now it's going to run all the prompts in the wizard, give me my output, fast and easy. What does that mean? That means that I can have my team, quote team, write guides, write blogs, write articles, write anything. All right, I hope that you guys found this valuable. If you don't have your PromptROI account yet, go get it. You get a free account, okay? Get 1,000 credits to start off, and it's www.promptroi.com. Have a good weekend.